everyone, we are going to look into lists in HTML now. There are basically three types of lists in HTML. Ordered lists, like we have in documents or presentations, they are ordered either with numbers or letters. Second is unordered lists that do not have numbering, just bullet points as we see here. Now the next type of lists are a bit different. Suppose for a list item we need to mention a description. Then we can use the description lists. Okay, to start with, let's give our page a heading of list types and subheading of which list we are going to use. So here first let's start with unordered lists. For unordered lists, a UL tag is used. In between there comes a LI tag which stands for list item. Here we specify our item to display. Mango, cherry, apple. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we have our output and we can see the list items are displayed after the bullet points because we have used unordered list. We can also change the type of bullet points used. Let's try for a square. Yes, it's changed. Now let's try a circle. Okay, this is also nice. If we want the original one, it is the disk. Great. Now let's move on to ordered lists. We will use a OL tag that stands for ordered lists. Now specify the list item as we did earlier. Okay, let's check. The default ordering is using numbers. To change it, you can use the type attribute here also and specify the numbering that you want. If you want to change it to small a, b, c, then we can type here small a and it will be displayed accordingly. Now let's change it to small I. That's right. We can also use Roman numerals by typing capital I. Now the next topic, that is the description lists. For this we have a DL tag, that is the description list tag. To specify the element we use the DT tag. Okay, I will write papaya here, and to specify the description we use the DD tag. I will specify the description as a sweet fruit. Yeah, okay. Now let's see what the results show. Okay, cool. Similarly, try adding other elements. So guys, we are done with the lists in HTML. See y'all again.